Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to manage your catalog structure in the pCon.catalog editor, a powerful tool for manufacturers who publish their product data in the pCon.catalog portal. With the catalog structure, you can go beyond flat hierarchy of product families and collections. It allows you to create your own structure using folders and subfolders, assign content specifically, and organize the navigation through your catalog just the way you want it. This video will walk you through how to create and manage your catalog structure step by step, including how to assign content and integrate additional information like PDFs and links. In the second part, we'll also explore how this works when an existing OFML catalog is already available. Click on the catalog entry on the left side of the pCon.catalog editor. If you're starting fresh, the editor will let you know that no structure has been created yet. Click Create New Catalog to add your first top-level folder. This is your root folder. Each folder can be given a name and an optional preview image. By default, every new folder is created in draft mode. This means it's visible in the editor, but not yet published to the pCon.catalog. Use the Save Publish button to make it active and visible in the front end. If you select a folder and then click the Folder Plus icon, a new subfolder will be created inside the selected one. You can create as many subfolders as you need. If no folder is selected, the new folder will be created at the top level. Note: if your root folder is only used as a container and only contains subfolders, it will not be shown separately in the front end. Only the subfolders will be displayed. Once your structure is in place, it's time to fill it with content. At the bottom section of the editor, you can assign specific content to each folder. Click plus Add to open the selection menu. Here, you can assign models or materials from your catalog. Use the filters to search for specific product families or items, and add them with a click. Good to know, folders don't have to contain a model or material. Even empty parent folders will still appear in the structure and help keep everything organized. As your catalog grows, it becomes more important to keep things organized. Use drag and drop to move folders to a new position, either up and down within the same level or nested inside another folder. And if the editor view feels a bit cramped, on the right side of the catalog structure, there's a slider that gives you more space to work with, handy when you have long folder names or deeply nested structures. In addition to folders, you can also integrate PDFs or external links into your catalog structure. They can be placed on the top level or inside any folder. For PDFs, simply enter a title, upload a preview image, and select the file. Links work in a similar way. Enter the URL, give it a title, and drag it into the desired location. This way, you can link directly to relevant pages on your website, embed a YouTube video, or provide additional info. PDFs can also be attached directly to models or product families. If you're working with an OFML catalog, PDFs can even be displayed via a connected PIM interface. Now let's switch over to the front end and see how your structure appears to end users. Via the brand page, users can click Catalog to view your content. On the left-hand side, the folder structure is shown exactly as you've set it up in the editor. Subfolders can be opened, and users can click through to models or materials available for download. PDFs can be opened directly, and links take the user to the correct destination. This gives your customers a clear and intuitive way to explore your catalog, just as you designed it. If your brand already has an OFML catalog, there's an additional benefit. The existing OFML structure can be displayed in the pCon.catalog editor, either in full or partially. This keeps both systems synchronized and avoids double maintenance. Let's take Interstool as an example. In the Catalog section, you'll see the root folder, Interstool. When you open it, you'll see product families like Silver or Vintage. Inside each family are subfolders, for example, for swivel chairs or conference chairs with assigned models. However, there's an important detail to be aware of. The imported OFML structure is read-only. That means you can't create, delete, or rename folders within that structure in the editor. Why? Because OFML is the leading data source. Any structural changes must be made directly in the OFML data. What you can control in the editor is visibility. With a single click, you can toggle each folder between published and unpublished. A green circle means the folder is visible in the pCon catalog. A red circle means it's currently hidden from the front end. If you collapse your root folder, you'll notice 3 icons appear at the top. These indicate that, just like with a new catalog, you can create an additional structure alongside the OFML structure. This is useful for highlighting specific themes or offering alternative navigation options. The catalog structure in the pCon.catalog editor gives you a flexible and powerful tool to organize and present your catalog content in a user-friendly and customized way. You can upload models, define product families, and use the structure to guide users clearly to the right product. If this video was helpful, we'd love to hear your feedback. Feel free to check out our other tutorials. There's plenty more to discover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.